Hi, I'm Utkarash and I'm a Master of Science in Finance student at Gies College of Business. The MSF program at Gies has been a great experience. I had my apprehensions about moving to a new country, but Gies has been so welcoming in so many ways. My classmates come from various backgrounds and bring a lot of experience from diverse academic and professional fields, which also adds to the learning in class. The healthy competition generated in the classroom is also a byproduct of having a diverse and a hardworking peer group. One of my favorite parts is how the MSF curriculum encourages hands-on learning and helps students earn real-world experience even before graduating. I want to build a career in risk management or asset management, and the quantitative finance and investment classes are helping build my resume for those opportunities. Two of the classes I've enjoyed the most are quantitative finance and valuation of complex securities derivatives. I really enjoyed the applied nature of these subjects, and the professor was highly qualified and great to learn from. Overall, my experience at Gies has been enriching and empowering, and I enjoy sharing my knowledge with incoming students.